Cheryl is gonna do a super cool, fun bubbles experiment. Let's check this out. Okay, these are the things that we're gonna use to make our snake bubbles. 1 cup of water, a plastic bottle, a measuring spoon to measure our dish soap, later a bowl and a sock. There you go. Let's get started. First, we have to cut the bottom of our plastic bottle. Be careful, it's sharp, so make sure you ask for help from mom or dad or big sister and brother. Careful, the bottom is now a little bit sharp. Next, we have to put our bottle inside the sock. If it's tricky for you, don't forget to ask some help, and also remember to say please and thank you. Okay, and it should look like this. There you go. Now we have to mix the water and the dish soap. We will put 2 spoons of it. That's 1 and 2. Then let's mix it together. Oh, I can see some bubbles already. Okay, I think we are ready. Remember, you have to blow out, not in, okay? Make sure you are with mommy or daddy or your big sister or big brother when you are doing this, okay? Let's start. Blow out. I can catch it with my hand. Wow, look at that. This is amazing. My snake bubbles. Oh, let's see if I can make it longer. Wow, look at that. It's very long now. Wow, look at my dancing snake bubbles. Oh, it's falling. This is fun. Let's make another one. Let's see which one is longer. The first one or this one? Oh, look at that, it's very long. I think this one is longer than the first one. Now let's try to add some colors. What do you think will happen to our bubbles? Okay. Boys and girls, this is going to be a little bit messy, so careful that it won't go to your clothes. But this is gonna be fun. So, where do you think these bubbles came from? How can it make a very long bubbles like a snake? Now let's see what happens to our snake bubbles after putting some colors. Let's try it again. Ooh, I can see some colors in the bubbles now. Do you see it? Wow. What's happening here is when you blow air through your snake bubble maker, you are creating hundreds of tiny bubbles. Wow, that is a lot of tiny bubbles. As the air wiggles through the fabric, which is the sock that we used, bubbles are continuously being made. The bubbles attached to each other when they came out of the fabric or cloth. Let's see Miss Gabriela how she doing with her snake bubbles.
Hello FS2Y, are you ready to see my bubble snake? Do you think it's going to be longer than Miss Cheryl's, who's going to be the winner? Are you ready? Oh, it's getting really long. Ah, oh no, it broke. Let me try one more time. So big, so long. I love it. Do you think it's bigger than Miss Cheryl's? Whose is the longest?
I hope you had fun with our snake bubbles. I can't wait to see all your snake bubbles at home. Bye!